शुरू।
Question number A.
Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
Question number B.
No.
Question number A, we have finished or not?
Finished. Yes.
Now see, all of you pay attention. Nobody will talk. Now past continuous tense. Now as I have told you that in present tense we have to use the helping verbs am, is, are. So in the past continuous tense, also in the past tense we are using the verbs was, where. Was, where. And because it is a continuous tense, so we will use here verb plus ing. Means we will add ing to the verb. And when we are using the singular person, at that time we will use was. And when we are using the subject as a plural, so at that time we will use here where. So in past continuous tense we are using was oblique where plus was plus ing. Now students, on page number 77, just pay attention. The past continuous tense is also used when we speak of past actions that continued for a period of time. Okay? For example, पास्ट में अगर कोई एक्शन जो है वो थोड़ी देर के लिए चल रही थी तब हम यूज करते हैं पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो लास्ट नाइट. लास्ट नाइट में क्या करना था? आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो. नाउ हियर यू विल सी दैट आई वॉज लिसनिंग radio. I was listening to the radio last night. Since it is a past tense, we have used here last night because we are talking about the past actions that have continued in past for some time. So here you can see we have used here was because the subject we have used here I was. And here is the verb. Listen, listening. And we have added ing to this verb. This is our verb. And this is our helping verb. This is our helping verb. And this is our main verb. And we have added ing to the verb. I was listening to the radio last night. Have you understood?
Yes.
Now see the second rule. We speak of action that naturally took some time to complete. मतलब कोई ऐसे actions जिनको complete होने के लिए, naturally complete होने के लिए कुछ समय लगता है. Now see, my son was cleaning the car this morning. My son was cleaning the car. So you will see here we have used was cleaning. Now last, we speak of two past actions that took place at the same time. Now this happens very rarely that two actions happen at the same time. So which action happened first? For that also we are using the past continuous tense. Now see here. We speak of two actions that took place at the same time. दो actions अगर एक ही वक्त पर हो रही हैं तो उनको बताने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं past continuous tense. Now see here. While I was studying. While I was studying. Comma she was playing. जब मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था तब वो क्या कर रही थी? खेल रही थी. So I was studying. Comma she was playing. So have you understood in the first clause? Now see this sentence. These two actions are happening in the past. While, pay attention here. While I was studying. Comma, she was playing. So in the first sentence we have used was studying. She was playing. Like this. Okay? So in this way we have used past continuous tense. While I was studying. जब मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था तब वो क्या कर रही थी? तो वो खेल रही थी. She was playing. So have you understood?
Yes.
Any one action we have to state first. Now see question number B. Directly we will take question number B. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense of the verbs given in the bracket. So directly we will do question number B. Read the sentence.
She dashed a book when lights went out. Was reading.
Marcy was reading the book when the lights went out. So right there, I am writing only answers.
Yes.
Was reading.
Was reading.
Second, we entered home when we saw the accident. First, read the verb that is given in the bracket. Which verb is given? Drive. Which verb is given here? Drive.
Driving. Where driving?
Third one,
Was washing.
read the whole sentence. Last bench, kid. I was dusting the house while my sister dealt out the dishes. Was washing.
Where playing? Was reading.
Yes.
The boy
Hey, listen here. Have you forgot all your manners? How we have to answer in the class when we are sitting in the class? You just only have to raise your hand first, then stand up and then tell the answer. ये क्या हम ग्रुप सॉन्ग बोल रहे हैं क्या यहाँ पर? हाँ? हाँ, who is going to tell the answer? Yes. Read the whole sentence.
For the boys dashed football when it started to rain. Were playing.
Yes. Into the bracket, which verb is given? That also you have to read. Play. Play is given in the bracket and you have to use there. The boys were playing. Yes, right there. Were playing. Next. Yes.
The woman next door danced throughout the night talking.
Only talk.
We are talking.
Women. Plural. If it is given woman, then it is singular. Women is the plural of woman. So we will use here where. The women next door were talking throughout the night. So we will use here where. Next. Yes. Read the whole sentence. 1 minute. Remove the mask and then read. मास्क निकालो और फिर रीड करो. हाँ, yes. A letter to her pen friend. Denmark. Into the bracket verb is given here. Write. So we will use here was writing. Pooja was writing. Earthquake. Into the bracket. Sleep is given there. So we will use here everyone was sleeping. Everyone was मतलब जितने लोग बैठे थे उनमें से हर एक सो रहा था. Everyone was sleeping. Swaraj, pay attention. Then 8th sentence. Yes. Yes, sit down. Next. Yes. Was baking. Hazel was baking cookies. Was baking. Write down fast. Hey, listen here. Those who are using the old textbooks, they have to write down this question and answer in your notebook. Okay? So that किसने आवाज निकाली है? You will understand by writing all that question answers in your notebook. Then sentence number 9. Come on. From girls. This girl was bench. What is your name? You are new admission here. What is your name? I can't hear you.
My name is
Raj Lakshmi Meena. Yes. You are sister of Rikul Meena. Yes.
मैम ये परीक्षण इसको तेरे को भी करना है तो परीक्षण.
Hey, I will send you out directly out of the class, huh? Yes. Tell the answer. Was painting. Sit down. Last one. Yes, Shraddha.
Student enters the classroom where the principal entered. Where leaving?
The students were leaving. Right there. Now see, next one is future continuous tense. As you know, we are using will, oblique, shall in future tense. Will be, shall be, or will, oblique, shall. We have seen past continuous tense. Now we are going to study future continuous tense. action that will go on for some time in the future. So the future continuous tense is used for an action that will go on for some time in the future. For example, they will be painting the house next week. मतलब हम फ्यूचर के लिए प्लान करते हैं कि हम ऐसा करने वाले हैं. So for that we are using the future continuous tense. So the example is they will be. They will be painting for the house next week. No, I am just explaining it to you. Now, as it is the future continuous tense, we have used here will be, verb is paint, and we have added ing to that verb. So in future continuous tense, we are using will be, oblique shall be, plus verb plus ing. This is clear to you that in every continuous tense we are using the ing form of the verb. Okay? And when we are using the present continuous tense, we have to use am is are plus verb plus ing. If we are using the past continuous tense, at that time you have to use was oblique where verb plus ing. And in future tense also you have to use will be oblique shall be plus verb plus ing. So is this clear to you? Yes. Now see question number C. Fill in the blanks with the future continuous tense of the verbs given in the bracket. Again, my friend, first sentence, my friend dash dash, into the bracket verb is given here. Wait for me at the restaurant tomorrow at 8 in the evening for dinner. So we will use here will be waiting. So right there. Will be. What happened? ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं, दोनों में से कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं. जनरली हम लोग आई के साथ में शैल यूज करते हैं. My friend will be waiting. My friend will be waiting for me at the restaurant. Second, I dash go to Kathmandu next month for a holiday. Yes. I shall be going. So right there shall be going. Third sentence. We dash dash read in grade 7 in the next academic session.
Shall we?
We will be or we shall be reading. Will be reading.
Only we are reading.
Fourth one. I dash into bracket verb is given. Watch. My favorite program on the National Geographic
Shall
channel.
be watching.
Yes. Others are not interested to give the answers.
Shall we will? Shall we?
Question number 6. Sentence number 6. Yes.
I will be studying. I study very hard for the exam next month.
Yes. I shall be studying.
Shall be. खाना बचा रहा हूँ. Ma'am will be taking.
Up to this you have finished?
Yes.
remaining question and answers means remaining sentence you have to do in homework. I will check in the next period. Okay.